Well, we're just very excited to show everyone what we're capable of. For Grammys, of course, we've been always dreaming about it, and syempre, if we're given the opportunity, we'll gradually, siguro talagang mas ipapakita namin na ano ba yung higitan ng sagad na tinatawag natin, di ba? So, syempre, we've been always dreaming about it, pero lagi pa rin kaming humble down na hindi namin masyadong ine-expect na darating lang siya. Kailangan namin mag-work hard. So, yun yung everyday na tinatry namin when it comes to us, or syempre, yung mga preparations namin, especially for Wakas at Simula, at darating din lahat eventually. Mas naniniwala kami na yung optimal work na ginagawa namin, kumbaga dahan-dahan, darating din kami doon. Hindi kailangan ng isang viral moment lang, but most important is yung steady kami going there.